It's a windy night in Spokane Valley. What the hell's the point of that? Wait, hold on. It's windy. What is it? You can hear the wind, sorta. Uh-huh. I don't know what he's doing.
He's real, actually.
Oh well. You have my camera view. That's not nice. What is up with the weather here? Hey, Hunter. Hunter, I'll send this video to you. You're the weatherman. Tell me what the heck's going on here in Spokane Valley on this weird night.
It's an Arctic blast.
Yeah, it's cold. It's colder than hell is what it is.
It's an Arctic blast.
It's an Arctic blast. Ooh, there it goes. Can't really see the trees, but they're moving. Arctic blast. I didn't know that. How'd I know that? You know how to view now? I want to be in the view. You're going to get in the view. Yeah, no, not really. I definitely wouldn't ride my bike this. Why are the steps creaking? Man, that is... I'm scared of this big tree. Holy crap. Barely snow on the ground. But it feels like it's almost 0 degrees. What do you have to say about this? Thank you. Wait, it's kicking up again. So am I. Goodbye.